Hello, Viola's Diary. Welcome once again to the channel, and thank you for coming back again and again. And also, for those who have come for the very first time, you're welcome. You are welcome, and this is the right place to be. So today, I'm going to show you the how I am unboxing my microphone, unboxing my tripod stand. I'm also unboxing my ring light. Yeah, so like the tripod stand came with the ring light, and I'm so glad because it came as a surprise gift, and I really appreciate it because it was an anniversary gift from my husband, and I really appreciate that. So guys, walk with me, let us unbox this thing, and let's do this. So it came with a package from Kilimall. It's a package that came, and this is how it is like. When the package came, I felt like opening it instantly. That is during the day, but something else held me, and I was like, relax, find the right time to open it because you will I will open it as I show you what is inside. So you can see the package. I'm trying to open it. It's in the night, by the way. Ignore that potty. We are doing potty training, and yeah, we are using potty, so we cannot hide it. We keep it somewhere near where she can find it easily. Yes, so drum beats rolling. Let's see what's inside the package. Yes. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm so happy because I've been longing to have this stand for quite some time, and I'm glad that I got it. Yeah, so spoiled for choice. Which one should I open first? These.
Inaitwa Pogisi. Wewe. Mtajua mjui. Mtashikika.
So guys, after removing the tripod, I from the paper, I slightly try to open. There is a knob on the side that you try to open. After you loosen it a bit, that is when you hold. You see that long thingy? You hold it, and then you push those stands down, and as much as you push, that thing becomes taller. Do I say taller or longer? Yani it opens up, so it is upon you to see the height that you want, so that you tighten it again, because if you don't tighten it, it's going to fall apart. Everything will fall apart. So each point you open, you tighten. Like here, up here, you can see I have opened it and pulled it up. So this thing is very long, by the way. You can see now I pulled it back so that it becomes a bit shorter. So you can see I'm loosening it again, and then I either open it or close it. You can see. So me putting it back like that, I am like maybe packing it. You see, that's how it is. So just know it's about loosening and tightening according to the size that you want. So let us look at the ring light. So the ring light is here, and let's see what is in the box. Inside the box we have, yes, the ring light, and also you can see that it has a cable, something like a cable. Yeah, this one comes with that cable. So this part I'm showing you is for adding the light, putting it on, and then there is the light. If you want it higher or if you want it to change, that is where you add your light, and also reduce the light, because it is adjustable. So inside there we have that as well. So this one is for fixing it. You can see it is for that part. Yes, so we're going to fix it there, and one thing that you should note is that almost everything here is flexible, such that you can move it and it fixes. You see, I have removed that thing on my finger. You can see something in the middle of my fingers. I've removed it. It's like a knob so that I fix those things. See that one also? I fix it there, inside there. Yes, I remove it, I fix it inside, and then I twist it so well to hold it. And this thing is very flexible as well. You can pull it in whatever position, and it that long thing, that one, you can turn it. You can turn it. So this is where you're going to fix your phone. This is where you're going to fix your phone. And so I'm just fixing it on my ring light so that when you fix the phone, it will stand, you see. So it's supposed to be fixed there. And then this one is said is so flexible, I can turn it, you see. I can turn it in whatever dimension I want it to be at. Yes, like that. So if you want it to look down, the phone to be look down, it will. If you want the phone to be upright, it still will. It is upon you to just set it like you want it. Like this one, you see, I have really tilted. So let us fix the ring light on the tripod stand, and I'm trying to fix it. It has given me quite a challenge. It's fixing it when it is standing like this is quite something. Yeah, so I'm just trying to fix it. Yes, so I had to remove the ring light so that I just fix this part only. I fix this part only first, and then after fixing this thing I have removed from the ring light, I'm fixing it. After fixing it, I'll put it back on the tripod. Yeah, so it's quite something. Fixing this thing is quite something, but it is if you check, you're going to find that it's so easy. You see, it's very flexible. I told you everything is flexible here. Look at it. You can turn it. You can turn this one as well. You see, I'm trying to move it up and down, but now after putting it in the position that you want it to be, you tighten. Always remember to tighten the side, because every side has a something something that can be twisted. You see that one, the black thing on the side, that's what I'm talking about. You tighten it so that it doesn't make your stuff fall whenever you want to film. Maybe if you have a cooking channel like me, I cook a lot, maybe you can fix your phone, and then when you don't tighten it, your phone falls in the pot. The cooking pot. That is so sad. So guys, don't forget to always tighten it. So I'm trying to show you. Imagine I have, look at it, right just near the ceiling. Imagine, even if you're a giant, this one can work for you. However tall you are, this one really can help you. So the beauty of it is that it's very tall and it is adjustable. So we will use it some other time, and then I'll show you how it's working on me. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell to get more update. This is my microphone, like I said in the first place, and thanks for watching. Like I said again and again, go wait for the next videos and watch. Thank you.